Hey everyone, and welcome back. Let's talk about something that I know is on a lot of your minds. You texting a guy, maybe you've been on a few dates, maybe you've been together for a while, but the conversation feels flat. You're getting one-word answers, ha ha, cool, okay, and you're sitting there staring at your phone thinking, how do I break through this? How do I make him feel something? How do I build that deep emotional attachment that we all crave? You've probably seen those clickbait articles. Send him this one magic text and he'll be obsessed. But we both know it's not that simple. Real emotional attachment isn't built on a single manipulative text. It's built on genuine connection, vulnerability, and making someone feel seen and understood. So today, we're going to break down the psychology behind texts that actually work. We're not talking about games, we're talking about communication that sparks real emotion. I'm going to give you 5 categories of texts that you can adapt to your own personality and your specific situation to trigger that feeling of closeness and make him think about you long after he's put his phone down. Ready? Let's dive in. The first type of text you can use is what I call the nostalgia spark. This is one of the most powerful tools in your arsenal. Why? Because nostalgia is a potent emotion. When you bring up a shared positive memory, you're not just sending a text, you're instantly transporting him back to a moment where he felt happy, comfortable, and connected with you. It reinforces the idea that we have a history and it's a good one. This isn't about saying, remember that time we had fun? It's about being specific. The formula is basically a specific sensory detail from a shared memory plus a light positive feeling or question. For example, if you went to a concert together, you could say, I just heard that song from the concert on the radio and couldn't stop smiling. Remember how badly we were singing off key in the car on the way home? Or if you had a funny first date, I just walked past that little Italian place from our first date. I still can't believe we accidentally ordered the spiciest thing on the menu. My mouth is watering just thinking about it. Haha. See the difference? It's not just remember that, it's I'm thinking about this specific happy moment with you right now. It makes the past feel present and strengthens your bond. Okay, next is the appreciation text. In this world, everyone wants to feel valued. We want to know that our efforts, our personality, and our presence are noticed and appreciated. A man is no different. So often in relationships, we forget to voice our appreciation. The appreciation text is a direct deposit into his emotional bank account. It makes him feel like a hero in your story. The key here is sincerity and specificity. Don't just say, you're so great. Why is he great? The formula is a genuine observation of something he did or is, plus the positive impact it had on you. For instance, after he's given you advice. Hey, I just wanted to say thank you again for your advice on that work thing yesterday. You have such a calm and logical way of looking at things, and it seriously helped me feel so much less stressed. I really appreciate you. Or just out of the blue, I was just thinking about how much fun I had with you. You have this amazing ability to make even a boring trip to the grocery store feel like an adventure. It's one of my favorite things about you. This text isn't asking for anything in return. It's a pure gift of appreciation, and it makes him feel incredibly good about himself and, by extension, about his connection with you. Now, let's talk about something a little deeper. This next type of text is about showing that you see the real him, beyond the surface level stuff. Think of this as the I see you text. It's about noticing his character, his struggles, and his unique qualities that others might overlook. This one requires you to be a good observer. It shows a level of empathy that is incredibly attractive and builds a profound sense of being understood. For instance, maybe he's been working really hard on a personal project or stressing about a family issue. A text like this can make a huge impact. Hey, I know you've been putting in so many extra hours on that project lately. I just want you to know that I see how dedicated you are. Make sure you take a moment to breathe. You've got this. Or if you notice a quality he has. I was thinking about our conversation earlier, and it's really amazing how you can listen to someone without judgment. It's a rare quality, and I really admire that about you. This text communicates, I am paying attention to who you are as a person, to your character, and I like what I see. For a man who might feel like he constantly has to be on or perform, being seen for his quiet efforts or his inner character is a massive trigger for emotional attachment. He'll feel safe with you. Okay, so we've covered the past with nostalgia and the present with appreciation and deep observation. Now let's gently touch on the future. And I need to be very clear here. This is not the "so where is this going" text. Absolutely not. This is what I call future projection, and it's light, casual, and fun. The goal is to subtly plant the idea that you see him in your future, even in small, insignificant ways. It creates a sense of an ongoing story, that this isn't just a temporary thing. It sounds like this. You see an ad for something cool. You text him, "Oh my God, I just saw they're opening one of those crazy indoor rock climbing places downtown this summer. We have to go." The key phrases are "this summer" and "we have to." It's a plan, but it's a low-pressure, fun plan in the future. Or maybe, "I'm trying this new recipe for lasagna tonight. If it's any good, I'll have to make it for you sometime." The phrase "sometime" is your best friend here. It's vague, it's non-committal, but it clearly states, "I envision a future moment where I am doing something nice for you." This kind of text makes him subconsciously start to see you in his own future, normalizing the idea that you'll be around for a while. It's exciting and builds anticipation without any scary pressure. Finally, let's inject some energy and fun into this. Emotional attachment isn't always deep, serious, and heartfelt. It's also built on laughter, playfulness, and a little bit of a challenge. This is the playful challenge and banter text. This is about creating a fun dynamic where you're not just an admirer, but an equal who can joke around and push his buttons in a flirty way. It sparks his competitive side and makes interacting with you feel exciting. So if he tells you he's going to the gym, you could text back, "Oh really? Trying to keep up with me?" The winky face is crucial. It signals that you're teasing. Or if you're talking about a movie or a game, "I bet I can guess the ending before you do. No spoilers." This creates a mini competition between you two, something that keeps the spark alive. A classic one is a simple challenge. "I bet I can find a better cup of coffee in this city than you." Challenge accepted. It's flirty, it's confident, and it sets up a future date in a really fun, low-stakes way. This kind of text shows that you're confident, you have a sense of humor, and you're not afraid to be a little cheeky. It breaks up the monotony of the standard "how was your day" texts and makes your conversation a highlight for him. So, let's recap. We have the nostalgia spark to connect to your shared past, the appreciation text to make him feel valued in the present, the "I see you" text to show you understand his character on a deeper level, the future projection to create a sense of an ongoing story, and the playful challenge to keep things fun and exciting. Remember, the goal isn't to use these as a magic formula. The goal is to understand the emotions they trigger. It's not about one single text. It's about creating a pattern of communication that makes him feel seen, valued, understood, and excited to talk to you. Mix them up. Be genuine. Let your own personality shine through. When you start communicating on this level, you're not just sending texts anymore. You're building a real, lasting emotional attachment. He won't just be texting you back. He'll be looking forward to it. He'll be thinking about you. And that's what this is all about.